Today I thought made a mistake. You will not give up and don't forgive yourself. You have forgiven me so much. You have not used the time properly. Time gave you a chance, but you have misused the time. You have insulted time and you humiliated yourself. And you have insulted your personality. You are killing your own integrity. When you kill honesty, then just think if I am doing it right, what should I do? When you landed on this earth, then you blames like a volley lotus, but you have to feel that you have only one. Come out of this filthy abode, you have cut yourself short. Don't cut it short. Where have you reached today by belittling yourself? You don't understand yourself. You are insulting yourself and at the same time you are insulting your motherland. Do you know how much your motherland loves you? Do you know that your motherland wants to see you honest? Your motherland wants to see you free from violence. Most people run after money, gives more importance to money. They lost their self-respect by giving importance to money. Money is everything to them. They may ever forget their loves wants for money. They sell their self-respect for money because then money becomes more important to them than self-respect. Every person needs money, but not by selling your self-respect. Money will come and go, but you have to be okay with yourself. You can't do a job you try. Even after trying it did not work. Still you try. But do not forget that you do not follow the wrong path. Do not trust your self-respect further by following the wrong path. You always focus on money, but focus on time. See if you can. You are on your way to victory. You with your hard work could get with your goal. You advance your goals with your honesty. When you work with your honesty, hard work, concentration, you will be more focused on work. When you respect yourself, at the same time you will respect everyone. You will respect your work. You will respect your loved ones. Respect has no age. You can respect those who are younger than you. You can respect someone who is older. You may have questions. He is younger than me. Who should I respect him? What will I learn from him? If you thought that you were wrong, yes, you were wrong. Then still have to learn to respect yourself. Education has no age. One can learn from younger people. One can learn from older people. You may have it advanced financially. That does not mean you are the best. Don't you dare insult the poor. Maybe you are very rich financially, forget in terms of power. But you don't forget. You were a common man once. You were also middle class once. You are blinded by the pride of power and money. How many days will you disrespect your self-esteem? Hey, how much longer? Your consciousness has not yet awakened. And when will it be? They lost your every day. And you lost every day? They make you cry every day? You cry every day? They are disrespecting you every day? You are getting disrespect every day? To myself. Now, trying to give them a worthy answer. It's time to give in. You have got low mark in a test. Your classmate, your teacher and insulting you. Your loved ones is insulting you. Will you not turn around after this? After this, won't you show it to everyone that you can? Everything is possible if you try. Hey, they are insulting you because of your skin color. What are you doing? Sitting at home and crying. They insult you with your face. You accept that and you blame God. Oh Lord, why do you make me ugly? Once you think about it, You are insulting God by saying these things. You are insulting yourself. Oh, they will say. That's their job, to make fun of your personal appearance. In fact, do people really need personal appearance? No need. Your skin color is black, but the color of their means is black. There is an ugly from greenery. They are beautiful beauty. They are probably trying and trying again. The more they insult you, the stronger you will become. The more they make you try, the stronger you will become. They insult you with your appearance. So they need work, your concentration, your honesty. People can't do anything if they try. Nothing is impossible in life.